This week I'm going to show you how to make this card with cut apart sheets and markers. Hi everyone, my name is Pearl and I'm going to show you how to paint with UNIQOLOUR Markers. Take your markers out and ask your mum to get you some water. Everyone, we're going to use a water cut apart sheet. Everyone, choose some of your favourite colours and put them on the blocks and colour in a square. And you choose another colour to go on another square. And you actually go all the way colouring in the square. You don't have to colour in all of them, but for now I'll just do some. Everyone, now we're going to get started colouring. So use your water brush and start painting your flower. If you want to change colours, just clean your brush on some paper towel. So let that dry before we do our next layer. And maybe colour in one of the leaves while you let it dry. And trying to stay in the lines. And if you make it too wet, you can put some more green and pass some water onto that green.
I'm just going to show Pearly what she can do on her yellow one, then she can do the next. So we've got our water brush and we're going to just very lightly flick some colour in on the yellow one. And I'm going to do the same on the green one. Flick some colour in. Pearly, do you want to try that on your other colours? The same colours that you used. Very lightly try to flick some colour out from the centre of your circle. Other way, babe. From the centre out, like this. Good job. Want to try it on the next one? From the middle and out. Excellent work. Squeeze out some water. So we've got a little bit of water. And then you are just going to drag that water out very carefully from the centre on each one. Okay? So very carefully we're going to drag that colour out. Do you want to have a go now? So there's a little bit of water I put there.
Start from the middle of your flower and go out. I coloured my flowers in, and when they're dry, I'm going to get my mum to help me cut them out. When they're dry, I'll colour in these bits on the flowers. My mum's going to cut them out because scissors are sharp. My mum's helped me cut out the flowers, so now let's make the card. So you put them aside. So we're gonna cut some paper down to put on the card, to put on the front of our card. So you put some glue on the back, and then you stick it on the front.
Get it nice and straight.
Card.
Not quite straight, let's get it nice and straight. Ready, steady.
So get a smaller piece and mount this up.
Good job. Let me.
So we're going to get our flowers and arrange them on the card. And I'm going to get Mum to help.
Go, put it on here, on here. Perfect. I'm going to stick this one down. Well done. Let's just make that one up. Now, mount this one up with some foam mounting tape.
So this one's got foam mounting tape. And we're going to stick this one on top. And this one. And then you peel the back things off so it's nice and sticky. So fold your leaves in the middle. So choose a birthday saying from your cut apart sheet. That one. Happy birthday. So put your birthday sentiment, and this one's got foam mounting tape too.
Come in and get nice and straight. Ready, steady. Pretty good, Possum.
You can put your thing, but make sure it doesn't cover the word. So cut the ends off on your leaves. And if you have a pink one, you cut the end of that one too.
Mum is going to do one too. And then this guy, Pearl, put him down the bottom, okay? That looks absolutely beautiful. And this is for your daddy. Do you think he's going to love it?
Yes. And I'm finished, so because it's my daddy's birthday.
Pearl, that is so good. Well done. Thanks so much for helping me make a video today, Pearl. Your card looks amazing.